Guys, and welcome back to another video. Hope you are okay on that side of the screen. And today to take a quick look at this smart home camera from EZVIZ, which is a brand that has some smart home devices, which we will explore a few more and enter this ecosystem to see the differences between others and so on and so forth. Now, for the first spoiler is that I'm impressed with the image quality of this camera and the way that it works along with the software, which I will show you right now, for the price that it costs, which is a balance that we always try to do here. Now let's start with a very quick unboxing experience. We will find inside this package right over here the smart home camera, of course, a quick user guide, which we will use our phone to get full manual if we need. There is this accessory right over here that we can use to put it on a wall or on the ceiling, and it comes with a USB to micro USB cable to power the camera and also a power adapter. And that is it. Really easy and simple package. In terms of connectivity, we will find the micro USB right over here so that we can power it on. It also has the option to connect via Wi-Fi, which is what I'm using at the moment, or via Ethernet cable, so you just decide depending on your setup. Now on the front, right below the lens, there's also the micro SD card slot and a reset button. In terms of setting it up, really easy and simple. As I said, I used the manual, but it's a matter of getting the app, EZVIZ app, press to add another device, select the webcam or smart camera to be more precise, and after that we just need to follow a few steps, and in a matter of 2 minutes, I would say, you will have your camera working. The software is very friendly, but instead of talking about it, let me show you right over here on screen, somewhere here on this side. So when we open the software, this is what we see. At this moment I'm using iOS, but there's also available for Android, so you will be just fine. We will see our devices here on this main page, which we will be able to reorganize and so on and so forth. At this moment I only have this one. I will be adding more soon. And let's press right over here. Now at this moment I'm looking at the live image, and I can go here to the pan and tilt, and as you can see I can just move the image, and if I put my hand right over here, it's live. So this is one of the things that we can do. You are also seeing right over here on this cloud setting that I've got some images recording right over here, all the tests that I've done, and at this moment I'm not recording on the clouds, I'm recording on my phone, and I'm also recording on the micro SD card right over, which the maximum capacity that we can use is 256, which will be able to take a lot of footages. So this is the first menu that we will find. We also have the option to take a picture. If I press here, it will take a picture, and if I press on the camera symbol, it will start to record manually. So at this moment I'm recording manually this footage. Now I can stop. The pan and tilt we already have seen. We also can go and put the image in 360, which we will see another option right over here, and we also have the button to be able to talk to the camera, so we can have a two-way conversation. Someone that is near the camera can talk to me, I will hear on the phone, and I can also speak to this side, and the person on that side will hear it.
Estamos aqui a fazer uma chamada para a câmara, portanto, supostamente tu ir desse lado, vais ouvir o som, vais falar com alguém que esteja em casa e que não tenha um telefone.
Besides that, we also have the image quality right over here, so Full HD, High Definition and Standard. All the tests that I've done is on Full HD, and then the reorganization of the menu. Now, if I press here on the image, I will have also a menu, and on this menu I've got everything in Portuguese, by the way, but I will explain all the menus. The first is audio, so very easy. I can enable or disable the recording and hearing of the audio. Then we have the LED indication status, which is this blue red right over here. Also the infrared light, and this will make a difference on the image quality that we record. I can show you an example there, turning on and off the lights on my office, which will make the infrared to pump. If we don't have the infrared, then we get total pitch black and we will not be able to see anything. After that, we have the notifications for the alarm, which it's disabled, but I can say, okay, I want to receive notifications 24/7, or I can just I just want to receive notifications from midnight to 7. We can choose all that. We can also detect or choose the area that I want to detect movement. Let's say that I want to detect right over here and right over here. Everything else will not detect movement. So this is something really nice right over here that we can make use of it in some certain scenarios. Then we have the sensitivity for the movement, which is right over here at average, but we can do more or less. And if we go back, we have other menus right over here. We have the automatic detection, which I can just put it here and it will detect everything that has movement right over here. The 360 image that we have seen on the previous menu as well. This is a shortcut. We also have the hour and time and date, whatever. The Wi-Fi connectivity, which we can change. The cloud service that we can use, and this you can search on the EZVIZ and you will have all the info right over there. And as you can see, you can, well, actually you can't because this is in Portuguese, but it is a cloud service that we can use. We will have to pay for it. We will have 7 days of cloud service for free so that we can try, and that's about it. In terms of the memory cards, I can select to record the full day or only when we detect motion, so this is a option. And the cloud storage we already have seen on the previous menu. Then we have the firmware, which I did update today, and we also have this cryptography image, which means that if I turn it on, it will code the video files right away so that they will not be possible to read on any other device, with the exception of the app. I can transfer to my phone, but I will not be able to remove the card, put it on a computer and read it. At this moment it's disabled, so I can do that. Remove the card, put it on the computer, I can play back the file. So this is another option. Then we have image rotation, so in case I want to put it on the ceiling, I can rotate the image. The suspension mode, which I can just press right over here and it will go to suspension, it will just sleep. And if I turn it back on, it will start to, okay, I have to wait, and there we go, it will start to work once again. Then we have the image configurations, which I left everything on the original, where we have smooth, vibrant, different kinds of color, different kinds of background lighting. So a few options right over here that we don't see on every smart camera. And then we also have notifications of offline when the device goes offline, then the user guide and about that. And basically this is it. And as you could see at the same time as me, because I only have seen on the phone. On the phone seems really nice video quality, so I suspect that on the screen will not be that bad. And for a camera such as this one, I do believe that it's more than acceptable, especially right over here, which is what I've tested so far. Guys, basically this is it. I will leave a link down below so that you guys can check it out and see for yourself if the price, quality and all the features that we have seen right over here is what you are looking for. Hope that the video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget the usual thumbs up right over there. My name is Roberto, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.